Good morning, y'all. It's your girl Jackson's over down Fresh Market. We out here in the garden this morning. See, we got a lot of harvest. I'm gonna try to do some harvesting, y'all. Let's do some harvesting. Grab some tomatoes. Put them in the bowl. Let's do some harvesting. Rain. We got lots to pick. Let's get it. I ain't seen y'all in a few days. Been a little busy, restructuring life. But wanted to come on today, shoot a video of harvest. You can see we got a lot happening. Let's go up top. Get up in there. Look at all those, y'all. Come over here to this side. Come over here. Grab some more. I think we got all the red ones now, y'all. See, we'll just keep letting the green ones go. See? Penny plant. It's tall and lanky. I did move it. Here's our Tybezo. See over here, we got some more tomatoes, y'all. I'm gonna harvest those tomatoes as well, so one moment. See, we got a good harvest coming along, y'all. Check out all them tomatoes. Got zucchini sprouting, look at that. Got another zucchini sprouting. We got something in here. We don't have none sprouting. Oh yeah, we do, y'all. Look, this plant got one sprouting too. Check it out. We got more zucchini sprouting on both of our zucchini plants. See, our mat got knocked over last night with the rain. We had heavy rain yesterday, y'all. Look at our cucumbers. Trellis. Y'all see this? Let's pull some cucumbers. Look. Look at that. Y'all see that? Look at that. Look at that cucumber. Look at that. Got another one, y'all. Let's pull it. Up. Let's pull it. Got another one. Y'all see it? Got another one. Let's pull it. Look at that. Harvest. Okay. Let's keep going in the garden. See this cucumber vine. It's crazy. Look at that. We got a little baby cucumber right there. I'm not sure it's gonna make it, but we got one more. Got lots of little baby cucumbers. Over there, got some carrots coming out the dirt. Carrots coming out the dirt. Let's pull it, y'all. Y'all see that carrot right there? Y'all see it? We got a carrot right here. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Got a little carrot. Got a little baby carrot. I'm gonna take it since I pulled it out the dirt. It ain't ready, but yeah, get a little baby carrot. Look at that. That carrot's growing. It's out the dirt, so we're gonna bring it. Swiss chard is still looking amazing. That heirloom zucchini plant hasn't popped anything, but it's got some pretty flowers. It's our sage. See the basil down there. Oh, look good, y'all, in the garden. See, we had rain. Got our Swiss chard. That's what's sprouting this week in the garden. grow this week in the garden. Harvest.